I'm Rich Freed, and one of the things I'm responsible for these days is what we call flexible outsourced manufacturing. That is the top of our value proposition for our customers. And when I use that term, flexible outsourced manufacturing, a lot of people don't understand what that acronym of FOM is. But here's the key. We provide customers with the X factor, what they need when they need it. On-demand engineering, production, manufacturing, and aftermarket. But what's really cool about what RG Group does is that flexible means that we flex with your business. As your business grows, we increase manufacturing. If your business slows down, we allow you to breathe and we take that demand down. So one of the main challenges with contract manufacturing is that you get locked into a build, a design, and a specific number of units. You don't have any of those issues with RG Group's flexible outsourced manufacturing because we adjust to your business conditions in real time. So to find out more about FOM, speak to me or any of the RG team.